everyone. My name is Marnie, and I'm a peer assistant at the A. James Clark Engineering School Career Service Office here at the University of Maryland. Today, I'm going over how to use Going Global to find jobs and internships. Now, what is Going Global? It is an international career and employment resource that offers information with over 30 countries. It also gives information about work permits, interview advice for other countries, and a wide list of job offerings. Going Global can be used by any student. We highly recommend the platform if you fall under the following categories. The resource offers a listing of career guides, job and internship searching, companies that are actively looking for students that have a visa, and an employer guide. I'll take you through the most important information while I walk through the website. So, first, you're going to navigate your way to your Handshake page. When you go to Handshake, you will have to log in using SSO and dual authentication until you are on the Handshake homepage. Next, navigate to the Career Center, Resources, and the 8 exclusive career resources here at UMD. Next, you will scroll down and see the link to access the Going Global portal. Here, pay close attention to the top tabs: Home, Career Guides, Jobs, Internships, H-1B, and Employer Directory. First, looking at the Career Guides, you will see 3 different options. Say I'm moving to Seoul, South Korea. I'd like to search for a job or internship there. But first, I want to learn a little bit more about the job application process there. I would head to either 2 of these places, Country Career Guides or Global City Career Guides, and select either Seoul or Korea. I'm going to click the second link and go directly to the city itself. I now have a ton of information of what applying for jobs look like in the city and country, including job search resources, hiring opportunities, getting the job with advice, cover letter resumes, and work permit information, as well as professional, personal information. Now, let's move on to jobs and internships. Both tabs are pretty much the same and require similar kinds of information. So I'm going to go to jobs, and here you can put in a keyword like engineering, and a city or country. So let's just say I want to find some jobs in Dublin. Here you can find that you can change radius, age. Also, it's important to note if you're looking at a job in a country that uses a different language, that you may need to look up the keyword or occupation in the native language of the country to get results. Next, looking at the H-1B plus, it provides listings of American companies that are looking to hire international talent in the United States. Simply put in a job title or keyword, a company name, and a city or a state to search. Finally, the employer database is a listing of employers from around the world. GoinGlobal provides you with their location, website, phone number, and possible job titles. That concludes our Going Global video. If you have any questions, feel free to email this email or come to our office in Martin Hall. Thanks for watching.